Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record video in cinematic mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first thing before you can record a video in cinematic mode is that you have to make sure you have an iPhone that's compatible with cinematic mode. Now, the iPhone that are compatible, it's going to be iPhone 13 or newer. So if you don't have iPhone 13 or newer, you're not going to see this feature or will not be able to record in cinematic mode. So in order to do that, as you can see here, regular photo, video, and then the cinematic feature that's available again with iPhone 13 or newer on the latest iOS version. What basically it is that it adds a shallow depth to the field in the focus whenever you're recording a video to make it seem like almost film grade quality. Now you can record it just like this or like that, doesn't matter. You can adjust certain features as well, like things around the focus and contrast and exposure and all of that that's available like you would, and you just click on record, and as you can see here, we can start recording just like that. So as you'll notice here, it's a big difference in terms of recording a video regular, and then when you're done you stop it, and then you can see there's other features that are available if you really want to get into it. You can record in both ways as long as you're in that cinematic mode, which indicates it. And as you can see here, I'm recording again, right? Same exact thing, and then you can stop it. And you have the zoom option as well on this phone. This is iPhone 15 Pro, but again, you need an iPhone 13 Pro or newer. They're automatically saved into your Photos app, like this one here. So if I click on it, and I can see here, if I go up here, this is recorded in this quality here. As you can see here, you'll be able to identify this, and that's how you record in cinematic mode on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.